ancient voice speaks, a refuge for dreamers, a home for the weak, where history lives in the dust and the stone, a place in the world they can call their own. From centuries scattered through shadow and night, a gathering place that stepped into the light. And this is why Israel matters today, a beacon of hope that won't fade away, a promise kept steady through storm and through fire, a cradle of courage, a human desire to stand in the open, unbound and complete, with a home for the soul and the soil at our feet. It's the innovators coding under the sun. It's the ancient traditions where life has begun. A crossroads of culture where vibrant streets gleam, where diversity builds on a shared timeless dream. A shield for tomorrow, democracy sure, a sanctuary open when doors close before. And this is why Israel matters today, a beacon of hope that won't fade away. We look to the future, we look to the sky, the spirit of hope will never run dry. For every generation, for those yet to come, we carry the message, we beat on the drum. A story of strength that continues to grow, shining forth anew in the warm desert glow. Through all of the trials, the spirit remains, a song of survival, outlasting the pains. Forever a shelter, forever a light,